So greetings students, today we are going to see about the biomagnification. So this is a new topic actually. So the important concept of this topic is the toxic substances which are being thrown on the ground or on the water, what will happen? It will be taken by the plants. And the plants eating animals will automatically get the toxic substance and it disturb their life. And even not only the plants, it affect even the animals and even the plant eating, that is vegetarian, that is human being also will be affected because of this. So at last, if you see, the total damage may takes over in this biomagnification process. And also not only plants, animals, human being, even the microorganisms which are present also will be totally disturbed because of this toxic substance. So this is the main concept of this biomagnification process. And what is the main significance of this magnification? Biomagnification means increasing the concentration of substances such as toxic chemicals or metals or pesticides or weedicides or insecticides or fungicides. Whatever it may be, all these sites are called as toxic substances which are polluting the environment. It may be a land or it may be a water or it may be the air. So totally the pollution will be caused because of this. All these toxic substances we can say. And the pesticides like DDT, that is dimethyl and trichlorophosphate. So these are all the chemicals which are totally damaging or eradicating the growth of plants, as well it start entering to the higher organisms. So once the plant is taking all these insecticides, weedicides has been thrown there, when the plants uptake, when the plants are eaten by the carnivores, omnivores, the animals are affected. And after that, if the plants are that such animals are eaten by the human being, so they are also affected. Once the living organism comes to an end of their life, when it is buried under the soil, the microorganisms which are uptaking those dead matters will be consumed. So the microorganism also will get defected in this. So next we are going to see about the causes of biomagnification. What are the causes, what are the problem we can face because of this? Means the agricultural pesticides. In the agricultural field, most probably the pesticides, insecticides, fertilizers, fungicides are very toxic substance and they are released to the soil. So in order to sow for the plants, so first the soil will be affected, next the plants are affected. And the excess pesticides or toxic substance will be flushed over in the rain or even in the water reservoir, it will be start passing over. And at last it reaches aquatic organism will start consuming that. And when the aquatic organisms are consumed by the human, so totally both are infected. And not only affect the aquatic organism, even the organic contamination will start affecting the human, animals, wildlife, all those things. So their health wise they will be getting some disorders and defect. And industrial side, if you see, it start releasing the smoke, the contamination or the toxic substance, all these toxic substances will be in the industrial side, it will be releasing some of the smokes and water will be released, and it leads to diseases and disorders which affect the total food chain, food web process. So next, the effects of biomagnification. What all the effects we can see in human? It causes the diseases like cancer, kidney failure, birth defect, that is the fertility problem will be there, and liver failure, respiratory tract disorder, and heart disease, that is like a heart attack, some problem we will be facing over. And it start affecting the reproduction and the development of aquatic and marine organism. The reproduction process or the fertility process will be totally affected in the aquatic organism, and destruction of coral reef and affects the life of aquatic organisms, because some aquatic organisms they feed on the coral reef. So if it is being disturbed totally, they get the food, along with the food material, the toxic substance also will start entering inside their body. So this is also being affected, and the microorganisms which are present in the submarine water also will be affected because of this, and totally the higher organism also get defected because of this. And chemicals like toxic substance, dyes, these are all the things which will start affecting totally the food chain and the food web process in the environment.